Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, or discuss with you, Sleepease Pro review. So, you might be wondering what is the Sleepease Pro here. So here's what Sleepease Pro is. So based on the official site here, worth noting upfront here that this isn't actually a mouthpiece. Now it's a chin worn patch device. Now Sleepease Pro is an EMS electrical muscle stimulation device designed for adults dealing with snoring or mild to moderate sleep apnea. Now, rather than sitting in the mouth, it works with a adhesive contact patch placed under the chin. And here's how it's actually described to function according to them. Now, sensors in the device detect vibrations associated with snoring as your throat muscles relax during sleep. Now, when it picks up those signals, it sends gentle micro stimulations to the throat muscles, and with the idea being that repeated nightly stimulation helps tone those muscles over time. Now, that's according to them. Now, how do you use it? Well, in this case, you attach a fresh adhesive patch on the back of the device, position it under your chin, secure it with the adjustable strap if needed, and press the power button to turn it on. Now, it starts monitoring automatically as you fall asleep, and there are three intensity levels. Now, the manual suggests here that to start on the lowest setting for light snoring, moving up to the middle or high setting for heavier snoring. Now, and adjusting the next night if you don't notice a response. Now, in the morning, remove the device and patch. Each patch is rated up to like 3 uses before replacing it, and recharge the device with the included USB cable as needed, and store it in its case when it's not in use. So, also the manual also lists that you who shouldn't use it. So, people with pacemaker or other implanted electronic devices, those with certain skin, cardiovascular, or respiratory conditions, pregnant individuals, or children under 16. Now, the general guidance is to consult a healthcare professional first if any medical concerns actually apply. So, again, consult your doctor first before actually trying the product. Now, on the pricing itself, well, the official listing show is a stated regular price around like 119 to $139.98. So discounted to the $62.75 that you see at the checkout page under ongoing promotions. Now it comes with free worldwide shipping and a satisfaction window listed as either 30 or 30 nights, depending on the page, along with 1 year warranties. But yeah, so that's what the Sleep Ease Pro is. But that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.